on this episode of American Travelers. We're in Key West, Florida, and staying at the Simonton Court Historic Inn. Manager Tanisha Thompson tells us a little bit about this resort.
Tanisha, we're in the heart of it right here.
We are located on Simonton Street and just a street over from Duval Street, which is the main part of town. And we're pretty much 3 blocks away from Mallory Square, and that's where the sunset celebration is every single night. There's also a street performance, so just a fun area. So our location is key. We're surrounded by many restaurants, and that gives us the opportunity to pretty much cater to our guests. What is it that you desire is my question in terms of food, and from there, we'll take you on a journey.
Tell me a little bit about this place and the history, what you know of it.
It's from the 1800s. It was a cigar factory, and right behind us here, these were the homes of the workers. We restore them to now being a cottage. Actually, our largest rooms, which can accommodate up to 4. The setup is pretty much a full kitchen, living room area, a bedroom downstairs, and a loft upstairs.
I noticed a few swimming pools. How many swimming pools are here?
We have a total of 4.
First, we check out the main pool located near the mansion house. The staff does a great job maintaining the pool, and the water is the perfect temperature.
Let me go ahead and show you the black bottom pool on this side.
Now that looks pretty relaxing. Next, Tanisha shows us the townhouse pool.
Oh, Tanisha, I can't believe there's another pool.
Yes, and this is the 4th one, and this is the manor house pool. Each swimming pool is open to all registered guests, so you have an option of enjoying any of them at any point, and they're open 24 hours.
And then how large are the grounds? I mean, the grounds, they sprawl, don't they? There's lots of room.
Well, yes, there's a total of 30 unique rooms. The setup is very different for each. When a guest calls, what is it you're looking for? You're looking for a full kitchen, or you're looking for a cottage, a little more space, or just a hotel room? It's fun to match, each individual to the right room and see. So that's for me, the fun part of things. And when the guests get here, then the work begins in making that experience what we aim to achieve each day for each of our guests.
So Tanisha, the owner still lives on the premises, is that correct?
Yes, that's Miss Sue Clay Maloney. And in terms of the watercolor painting that is spread in the decor of the rooms, that's all her. And you can see a few of them at the front, still for sale.
At Simonton Court, there's this cool walking path that takes you through the cabins area and ends at the main pool. We're staying on the top floor and at the front of this historic mansion house. It's so nice to spend some time here on the veranda. We love the old-fashioned decor in our room, and even was treated to a bottle of champagne when we arrived. All the crown moldings and the bathroom fixtures reminds us of an old plantation home. There's an old-fashioned soaking tub and a full shower. Okay, Elvin says it's time for breakfast. The morning staff is very friendly and brings out our full breakfast. Even came with a mimosa. This looks like a good start to the day.
Tanisha, tell me a little bit about the perks when you come to stay here.
Let's start with happy hour. So we do offer happy hour on Friday and Saturday. That's usually 4 to 6 p.m. And on Fridays, we have the painting coconut with Janine.
So tell me about painting a coconut. I mean, like painting a coconut.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So you get the opportunity to be creative on painting a coconut. We have a yoga space closer to the main pool here, so that's available to our guests as well.
You have thought of everything. Anything a customer would want.
We love what we do, so.
Well, it shows.
Thank
It
you,
really
thank
shows.
Enough of the showbiz, it's time for a nap.
Thanks for watching American Travelers.